Hi everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I got a package from KSCraft. This is my design team package for the June release, and I just wanted to hop on and show you everything I got. I literally just got it like half an hour ago, so I haven't made anything yet, but I did watch Hannah's videos previously about what's coming up in the new release, so I'm really excited to get these. They're all like summery and vacation and beach theme. So perfect for this time of year. Let's get started. I will link them all down below as well. These are in the AliExpress shop right now. Not sure, they're probably not all available on Amazon yet, but you could always check and see what's available there. But they always come first to Ali. So let's get looking at them. I won't know too many details about them until I actually start working on them, and I'll probably make a couple videos of the projects that I make with these. All right, so the first one is, this is a castle theme, like looks like the castle at Disney, and there are a bunch of dies in here that are like a theme park theme. So that's really fun, especially if you vacation there or if you live near there. Me, I don't, but I do like theme parks and things like that, and I have a Frank Garcia, I think it's called Magic at the Park or something like that. It's a Disney pastel themed collection, so I was thinking of using it for these. But anyway, this is the castle, and you can make it into a shaker, and there's words that say, I believe it says my happy place in there. I'm not going to take them out right now, just so I can keep them together and stay a little bit organized. And Hannah, I like your new labels. They look really nice. All right, so that's the first one, and that's a nice size. The next item we have, I tried to just kind of group them together by theme for now. This is a backpack die, and it's got like little mini ears on it, which is adorable, and layering pieces. It's stitched, and let's see, what is, so okay, those are those layering pieces. I don't know what these are. Maybe to make like, oh, probably to make the ears, right? Yeah. So this is so cute. Good for, you know, vacations, but also good for back to school too. So that would be a cute back to school card for your kids or for teachers or, you know, whatever. I think this would be fun to design with fun pattern papers. So there's that. And then this one, I saw Hannah make this. This is like a teacup ride. It's so adorable. And it's got stitch layering pieces as well. And you can like leave a space open on the teacup. Well, the die cuts out an open space there, if you can see kind of back there. Again, I'll link them all down below so you can see examples. But and then there's the part that you hold on to in the middle, and handle layering piece. So this will be really, really cute. I've got some ideas for that one as well. All right, and this one is like a Mickey pretzel, and that's so cute. All right, this one I want to see what that back layer is, so I gotta open this quick. Yeah, it's probably like a stitched. Oh, okay, yeah. So this is the base layer, and then this one has like the little salt pieces cut out, so it really looks like a pretzel. That's adorable. Nice heavyweight die, good size. So there's that. I'll just leave that out for now. And then there are words too, and let's see if I can read this. And they have shadows on them too, which is nice. I love KSCraft word dies. This one says fantasy, fun at the park, and there are a few other ones. All right, I'll open them. And I'm talking to myself that way. Let's open them, because I really would like to see what they say. Okay, fantasy, fun at the park. That says say cheese and magical. So that would be great for those simple stories, say cheese paper pads. And then this one, oh, this is so cute. It's like a Mickey or Minnie ear mini album. So it's adorable. I remember seeing this on her channel too. And so it's like a half a face, and then when you open it, you have like the full face. So it's really, really cute. And it's got a lot of layering pieces, other words, and then it has like a Viewmaster kind of piece. I'm not going to open it because I'm going to get them all mixed up. But the words say best something. Yeah, I can't read those. It's challenging when it's backwards and in script. Adventure. Okay, so, you know, you get the idea. And again, they'll be on the website. So that's a really nice big size. Next we have, I think that's it for like the Disney kind of ones. This one is a seashell shaker. There's a tongue twister. And oh, it's so cute. Like the little cutouts are mermaid tails. That's adorable. So you could cut out the little mermaid tails and use them as shaker bits. And yeah, and then, oh, I see. Okay, so you could cut this part off, and then you would just have the background piece by itself, which is nice to use to back this when you're making a shaker and to cut out the acetate. So that'll be nice. Very pretty shape. And this one comes in 2 different sizes. So there's a smaller one and a larger one, but they both come with the same pieces. So there's that. And then, oh, this is so cute. This is like a Swan floaty. So, and it comes in 3 sizes. There's small, let's see, yeah, and that's medium, and here's the large one. I didn't see the 3 different sizes on the website, so Hannah, if you're watching, but I'll message you. Are there 3 different listings, or do they all come together? I don't know. It didn't really say. So I will check with Hannah, and I will update down in the description box what's going on. But it looks like the middle one comes with wings, and then the small and the large one don't. So I don't know. Maybe they do all come together, but we'll find out. Super cute, though. And then this one is a seashell shaker also, and you can turn this into a mini album. I saw Hannah do that on her channel, and she also has a tutorial for how to like make a spine for this too, so you could add more pages. She has a very good tutorial about how to do it, so I might try and do that myself. But okay, so it comes with the layering pieces to make a shaker. It's nice and big. It comes with bubbles. That's cool. Bubble dies. And then this says Mermazing, I believe. And it comes with a mermaid tail. Looks just like the small ones that you can make shaker bits out of. And stitching. Gotta love the stitching. And so to make it a mini album, it's got that flat piece where you can, you know, attach all the pieces together. So that is super cute. Love that. And then this is a mini album also, and this is a boat one. So this would be great to make for dads. Okay, it's not, you know, it's not on time for Father's Day, but keep it in your stash for the next time you need like a fishing theme project. This would be really, really cute. And it's got an oar. Let's see, it's got the flip-flop bases and then the flip-flop, like, you know, piece that goes on top of them. So that's super cute. Fishing poles. And looks like maybe, I don't know, other fishing type things. I haven't been fishing in a long time. I forget what all those things are. But yeah, that's really, really cute. So that'll be fun to make. And then this is one of those like Instamax cameras, not a Polaroid, but the ones, you know, like I know my daughter had one a while ago. All the teenage girls like these kind of cameras. So these are really pretty. I know they come in like different colors and stuff, so you can really customize this. And I'm pretty sure that, yeah, that slit cuts out so you can make a like picture be able to pull out of there. So that would be fun. I love those interactive kind of cards. And it comes with all the layering pieces, as KSCraft always does, which is nice. This one is, again, could use for Father's Day in future years or for any other masculine occasion. But this is a short sleeve shirt, and it has pockets. It's got a collar. These are maybe, I don't know, maybe like a pocket trim or sleeve trim. And then it comes with the collar with the, whatever you call that, not placket, right? I don't know, maybe it is. So you can customize this any way you want to. You can make it into like a little easel card if you want on the top. That would be fun. So really cute. I like that a lot. I don't see, yeah, this is more of a casual shirt. It's not a necktie shirt. So that's very, very cute. This one, oh, this is cute. This was a fan set. So you can make like a tabletop fan, But then you can make it into like the body of an animal, and there's a cat one that Hannah made, and so let's see, a rabbit, a bear. These were so cute. And you can make them either into animal fans or just a fan or just animals. So it's nice and versatile, gives you different pieces to make different kinds of faces. Check out Hannah's examples. They're so cute. And these are a nice size too. You can fill it with lots of good shaker bits. So I like that a lot. And speaking of fans, oh, this was fun. Hannah showed a couple examples of this. This is, it looks like a rosette, but it's actually a fan, you know, like a hand fan that you hold and cool yourself off with. So she made it a couple different ways. She made it like using this to make like a full rosette kind of fan, and these were the handles. And then she did one, I think she cut out 2 of these and made it just like the traditional fan that kind of opens up like this. And she put a rubber band at the top so you could close it when you were done with it. So that was so fun, and I thought that would be great for Happy Mail, and this is a perfect time of year for hand fans. And Hannah also put like in the top of the fan, she put an eyelet there and then added some charms. So I thought that would be a good reason to add charms to something. So there's that one. And this one is this is like a pocket page for your planner, or I think this would be fun as a mini album, but Hannah had, it's marketed as a planner page. So it makes a page, and then you can put like a piece of cardstock behind it to make it into a pocket, because you would like glue these flaps backwards and make it into a pocket. But then there are like 3 slit pockets on the front too. So that's cool. You could like tuck in these embellishments, which are like sunglasses or hearts or flowers, or decorate those on the outside of the pockets and put in like, you know, pieces of ephemera or embellishments that you make for somebody. So that's really fun. I love versatile dies like this. There are layering pieces for slits, which is nice. You can use different sizes, I think. Yeah, you can use those for slits. So yeah, I like that. I'm going to have fun working on this. And of course, you know, I love when you can use the embellishments for other projects too. Like these are just perfect size hearts, and those flower petals are really nice too. You know, layer those up and make small flowers, and they're already embossed. I don't know if you could tell, but the edges are kind of a little ruffly. So lots of detail already in these. Just cut them out of plain paper and stick them together with glue or a brad, and you'll have some nice flowers. So there's that one. Oh, this one was adorable. This is a sand pail, and I think you cut it out. Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, so 10. So that is it 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 10. Okay, I was thinking it was an octagon, but it's more of a decagon, I guess. So yeah, so you would cut out enough of the side pieces to go around. This is the top of it, and there's and the top handle part you would put through here. So and use like a ribbon or something for the handle. So I will definitely make this. Hannah has it made in her video too, so you could go ahead and check them out. I'll link both of her June release videos down below too, so you don't have to go hunting for them. But yeah, I think this is really, really cute. I love her like 3D projects. I'm sure Nicole made this. It has Nicole written all over her, all over it. And yeah, the nice layering pieces are great. So very, very nice. All right, the next set we have, oh, these are some summery shadow words. There's Hello Sunshine, really cute font. Fun in the Sun, Beach, no, is that Beach Please? I think it's Beach Please, something like that, Beach something. Stay cool and relax and beach. Yeah, 2 beaches, so those are really cute. I love that. The font, if it was stitched, it would be even better, but it doesn't, not everything has to be stitched, I can tell myself. But I love it. And then we have some more stamps. Yay, I love stamps. And these are, oh, these are so cute. These are like seals that, or not seals, but you know, you could put them on the back of your envelopes or on the front of your packages, or just as a feature on your cards, wherever. So they say Happy Mail just for you. Happy birthday, my friends. Limited edition. Get well soon. That's cute with the Band-Aids. Happy anniversary. Handmade for you. You're my cup of tea, but first coffee. Coffee and chat. So nice, nice, nice. And I'm sure, you know, if you have a circle die or a punch, you could go ahead and punch these out too and make embellishments. These would be fun to cut out a bunch of them and put them in that planner slit pocket thingy and give that as Happy Mail. That way somebody who you send it to can just take them out as they need to and put them on projects. So that's always nice and handy. And then we have these words. Let me get a piece of paper so I'll put it behind it. Okay, so sorry for that glare. All right, these are summer themed stamps. Oh ship, life's a beach, official, have a martini, best fishes, beach please, mermaid tails. This font is really nice. I think it looks like the same pretty much as the dies. Vitamin C, mermaid kisses, mermazing, see you later, mermaids. It's all in the detail. Beach, fantastic, shell phone. So very nice, nice size stamps. Looking forward to trying those too. And then the last thing I have to share with you today is this set of stamps. And these are sentiments that are perfect for cards. And they're a nice big set. And it comes with the die too, which is really nice. And that fits over each of the different stamps. And it comes with 6 different stamps. So they say, with my scissors, paper, and glue, I made all this especially for you. No one is perfect. That's why pencils have erasers. Sorry about my tripod. The best things in life are handcrafted gifts for the people we love. Buying handmade is buying from someone who cares. Thank you for caring. Sending you handmade gifts because I know you will appreciate it. You are perfect, amazing, special, unique, and truly loved. Really nice. Front of cards, back of cards, inside cards, on packages, insert cards in your packages. I love that a lot, and I think that'll come in handy for sure. So these are all of the projects or all of the products that I have to share with you today. I hope you like everything. Again, I'll link everything down below. I'm going to get started today on putting some of these together, and I'll get back to you when I have about 5 or 6 of them done, and then I'll make some more. So thank you, Hannah, for sending all of these to me, and thanks everybody for watching. I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. In the meantime, have a wonderful day. Take care, guys. Bye.